Welcome to the Mechanic Desk help videos. In this tutorial, we will show you how to apply bulk payments or supplier credit notes to unpaid supplier bills. Once you have logged into Mechanic Desk, click on the Invoices and Bills tab and click on the Bills link to see all the unpaid bills. Select a supplier with more than one unpaid bill. Then select the New Bill Payment button here to initiate a bulk payment. Enter the relevant details, including the amount to provide to the supplier. Then click on the Continue button to prepare a payment. Click on the Add Bills Paid by this payment link to reveal a list of unpaid bills associated with that supplier. Click on the Select link for each bill to settle. You'll notice a default amount equal to the sum owing is automatically populated. This can be changed manually. Select each bill until each is settled or payment falls short. Click on the Select button at the bottom of the page to see a summary of allocated payments, including the unallocated amount, if any. The process for credit notes is exactly the same. Click on the Supplier Credit Notes tab to reveal a list to choose from. Select one from the list or create a new one like so, and enter the relevant fields as required. Then click on the Allocate to Bills link and select bills until each is settled or available funds are exhausted. Click on the Select button at the bottom of the page to show a summary of allocated payments, including the unallocated amount, if any. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact the Mechanic Desk support team.